we are in front of this Possl Roadcruiser 640, and we shall be entering first the inside to check this standard layout with this actual Citroën based chassis with two cabinets in the upper part, and the upper part of that cabinet is right up there. On the other part we have two burner stove with an additional space for your actual kitchen. And from that side we have pretty big and long bed, measuring at about almost 2 meters in length from this side, and getting on that side we are measuring also 1.9, almost 2 meters, pretty longitudinal bed with an actual widest part at about 1.8 or 1.9, depending on that actual soft part that you can remove. There's a pretty big garage space down there at the longest part, measuring at about 1.5, and at the widest part, let's measure again, 1.1. Pretty big garage space desired. And also on the top part there are cabinets going all around the camper van. And getting on this side we can check all the specs regarding the price, size, and actual final price of 6209. And checking again inside, so you get a better understanding of the actual bathroom that can be rotated to give much more space. Also the two burner stoves with a decent size and actually we have one kitchen storage unit right there, and then the actual bathroom that gives you much more space when using it. With this sliding door gives you an all-around big space where you can use also the space in front of that. And then we have the actual fridge. It goes on this column right there with an additional storage down there. And we have pretty big cabinets on the lower part with an additional cabinet right up here. Now this is the fan part with this big space for your shower and for your other things. This is a pretty great layout. Then from this side we have this longitudinal bed that I have already measured, and all the cabinets going around for the complete camper van. And I will be exiting out to get you a feel for this road cruiser.